hearts and find love in our own time.
Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share how did I create this Princess Merida look, which is a character from Disney Princess Brave. To see all the steps of this makeup look, make sure you watch the video till the end. Before you start any makeup, it's very important to hydrate your skin. I'm using skin food from Effex Cosmetics. I'm using vitamin C syrup and applying it all over my skin, and I'm going to spread it using my fingers. I'm using a moisturizer from Neutrogrna Hydra. Next, I'm using a primer which is from Effex Cosmetics. I'm using it on all my open pore area. Now I'm going to start using the concealer which is from Makeup Studio in the shade of orange, and I'm going to apply it on all the pigmented areas like the under eye, and like you can see pigmentation marks of the pimple as well. Now I'm going to layer the concealed area with Derma DFD which is from Kryolan. For foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty in the shade of Latte and mixing it with MAC Strobe Cream. I'm using this mixture to apply it all over my face, and I'm going to blend it using a blending brush, which is so much easier to spread the foundation evenly all over my skin. Then I'm using DF1 from Kryolan Derma Palette, and I'm applying it on all the highlighting areas like you can see. I'm also blending this with a blending brush. Always blend it in circular motion so that the product can spread evenly all over the face. Next, I'm using DJ4 from Derma Palette again. It's a dark shade, and I'm using that to contour my face. Like you know, Princess Merida has a heart-shaped face. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm trying to contour my face shape and change it into a heart shape. So I'm darkening my jawline, and also I'm pointing my nose. I'm contouring the edges to make it look small and sharp like Princess Merida. Again, I'm using a blending brush to blend all the sharp ends. So I'm blending the contour areas wherever I have defined the nose, the jawline. Next, I'm using a translucent powder from Temp 2, and I'm setting all the base that I've applied. Now I'll be using a cream blush which is from Makeup Forever in the shade of peach, and I'm going to use a moderate amount of this because Princess Merida has a lot of blush applied. Blending the blush again with my favorite blending brush to make sure there is no strong lines. Now I'm using a MAC illuminating powder in the shade of pink, and I'm going to apply right above my blush area just to add that extra pink radiant shine. Now to create freckles on my face, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, cream eyeshadow palette from Makeup Studio, and I'm going to use it in the shade of brown, and like you can see I'm using a liner brush to apply random dots on my skin. I'm going to dab it with the sponge to give it a very natural look. To give the freckles more definition, I'm going to go one more time with the same shade which is dark brown. I'm using a cream eyeshadow in the shade of orange to tint my eyebrows. For my eyes, I'm using Nude palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm using the lightest shade which is a matte powder, and I'm powdering all over my eyelids and also at the highlight areas, I'm just highlighting all my highlighting areas using the same shade. I'm using the same cream eyeshadow from Makeup Studio in the shade of dark brown, and I'm creating a thin liner effect using it very close to my lash line. Using the same shade to my lower lash line as well, and I'm creating a very soft look and not trying to create a very straight line, but creating a very soft look to give a smoky effect. Now for my lips, I'm using a lip palette from Makeup Studio. I'm mixing two colors, which is red and peach, and I've created this beautiful shade that is like a dark peach and which exactly matches Princess Merida. Now for my lashes, I'm using Wet n Wild Max Volume. This is an amazing waterproof mascara. Make sure you apply it in the upward direction to give you maximum lift of the lashes. And there you go. This is the final Princess Merida look from Disney Princess Brave. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do comment, like and share. And if you want to see more such videos, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.